Free brain rot for everyone, guys. Free brain rot, guys. Free brain rot. The first ideal away is 7. The earning 7.5 amps per second. And second, the storage. The earning 500k per second. And third, we're gonna give away the Spatoro Dinosaur that earning 2.8 million per second. Number 4, we're gonna give away the Carnacito Santa dito that earning 2.3 million. And for 5, we're gonna give this a mini Spiderini for 325k per second. And for 6, we're gonna give this Los Tontoncitos with 2.3 amp per second. We're gonna give, and for 7, we're gonna give this Los Tontoncitos with that earning 1.1 amp per second. And for 8, we're gonna give this Yan Yang Los Bombombinitos with that earning 1.6 amp per second. And for 9, we're gonna give this Rainbow Pack from Matmat that earning 2.1 amp per second. And for 10, we're gonna give this Bol that earning 375k per second. We're gonna go to the second floor. And the second floor, I'm gonna give away this Lost Tipitaco that Galaxy that earning 1.8 million per second. We're gonna give this Capra Mamatina for 281.2k per second. And we're gonna give this Diamond Lost Tipitacos that earning 390k per second. And for 4, we're gonna give this Bambusaur and that earning 243.7k. And we're gonna give this Bambusaur for 2 million per second. And we're gonna give this Gripos Metosi that earning 1 million per second. And we're gonna give this Tractor Dinosaur that earning 2.3 million per second. And we're gonna give this Brat Kakasito Satellite that earning 720k per second. On my third floor, I'm gonna give this Raw and Felt. I'm gonna give this Los Bombombinitas that gain mutation and 880k per second. And Kropok Pagi-Pagi for that earning 290k per second. And Lava Los Tontoncitos that earning 1.2 amp per second. Bye! Just like and subscribe and remix this video. Like on all my video and comment. Bye!